Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove apps from iMessage on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To remove apps from iMessage on iPhone, you need to be on the Settings app. So open your Settings app. Here, scroll down until you find Messages. Once you find it, tap it. Here you have the following: Focus, Siri and Search, Notifications, iMessage, Send and Receive, iMessage app, etc. So first, go to iMessage and make sure it is toggled on. Now go to the option iMessage apps, tap it. Here you'll see a list of apps with toggle switches next to them. Locate the app you want to remove. Next, tap the toggle switch next to the unwanted iMessage app. This will turn it off. For some devices, a confirmation message might appear asking you to verify if you want to delete the app. Tap Delete to confirm the removal. Note, disabling an iMessage app through settings only removes it from the iMessage app. The app itself will still be installed on your iPhone unless you take the optional step to uninstall it completely. That is how to remove apps from iMessage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.